Alright, so we are in the second week. First week was tough, right? But doable. And it never stops us from going on. Let's see what happens. I have no idea what's in store for me. My trainer is standing there with very menacing looking eyes. So all the best to me and all the best to you. And don't forget to leave your comments on how you are progressing with this whole plan. Once my hands out and I'm losing my balance. 60 seconds. He's killing me. But I'm not gonna die. And neither should you.